Last week I shared with you the outstanding results that we've had in the past, that we had turned $668,000 into $1.591 million, or 138% since May of 2025. So we haven't finished our year yet, but I've got a little pressure on me as I see it, in that I need to repeat this. I need to consistently use the tools that I have and develop new tools to assure that I and my tribe members increase our portfolio performance by 100% a year. Is it going to happen every year? Probably not. Will it exceed that some years? Probably. But what we've learned is there are tools that are out there that we can use to our advantage as a result of the advancements in compute power and in specific AI, increase our chances of tapping into the 156 stocks last year that achieved over 200% and the 349 that achieved over 100%. So we know they're there. We just got to find the tools to help us find them. So here's what we've done. The first tools that I developed were Samantha and Bard. They were my ChatGPT agents. And then I created a 4-page prompt that described what a growth company looked like. And that growth company follows the examples set by Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and NVIDIA. They were infants, they were adolescents, and then they matured. And that's the same way a company grows. So I created a template with Samantha and Bard, and that's how we went forward. Then what I did was create a tell sheet. And my tell sheet is the 102 stocks that I track to see where they are with the help of Samantha as to projecting what's their price going to be at the end of 26, 27, and 28, and then which of those are going to give me the greatest rate of return, and what level of diversification do I need to put some risk management into it so that I achieve the numbers that we've achieved since May of 2025. Then what more recently has happened is Trend has developed a heat map, and that is a temperature gauge on a year-to-date and a daily basis of where is the money flowing, which stocks are going up, and then once we determine which stocks are going up, we can take that back to Samantha and say, okay, give us your analysis of why these stocks are going up. Will they continue? And again, review your price. What is the price of the stock most likely to be at the end of 26, 27, and 28? And that's how we manage our portfolio. And then we update it every quarter when anybody comes out with an earnings statement, any of our 102 stocks, and that number grows as we look at our heat map and say, hey, we don't have any silver or any silver miners in our 102 stocks. Let's find out, and we know that because we looked at our heat map and we see the money going in that direction. We don't have enough companies that are involved in the electricity production that these AI centers are going to need. And then what's going to happen as the hyperscalers get their own data centers built out? What's going to happen to rent compute that is driven by companies like CoreWeave and Applied Digital and IREN? What's going to happen to them? When does the money stop slowing down so that we know it's going in the hyperscalers' data centers rather than the rent? Now, the support systems, the coherence and the photonics, they will all continue because, again, the need for that compute and those computers are still needed, not in the rent for compute, but the individually owned data centers of the hyperscalers. Then what we do is we bring Mark into the equation. And Mark is our technical analyst. He tells us from technical analysis where is the best price to buy at the position that we're looking at this stock, and is it moving below the 200-day moving average, and is it a continued or is it just a correction? And in other words, where do we get in and where do we get out? So now we're using not only using AI to find the stocks, but we're using it to analyze the stocks and then manage our movement in and out of the stocks. So again, I'll repeat, thus far this has worked phenomenally. Put $668,000 into this bus portfolio, Best of Us, on May the 1st. And as of this last Friday, it was $1,591,000, which is a 138% return. And again, our task is to find those 349 stocks that are going to give us greater than 100% return over the next 12 months. Again, historically, you can go back and check it, and it happens every year. But it's different stocks in many cases. The key is use artificial analysis. Use the data that is available that you can buy access to, and then just analyze it and track it and follow it and stay ahead of the game. Now, what will this do? I think this is, whenever you enter a race, and that's what the stock market is, you're racing against Wall Street. You're putting your talents and your skills up against theirs to see if you can beat them, and at the same time to create wealth. Well, if you can achieve this, that's a big if, I'll give you that. If you can achieve 100% annualized return on your investment, what will it turn to? This is where the finish of the race comes into focus. And that's the power of compounding. If you invest today $10,000 and you double it, next year it's going to be 20. But what if you invest another $10,000 in 2026 to add to the 10 that you started with? And every year for the next 10 years, you doubled your portfolio and you added another 10,000. What would it be worth in 2036? Here, you take a look. I'm not going to even tell you that number. Just look at it. That's the possibility. If we can do exactly what we've done in the next 12 months that we've done in the past 8 months. If we can use the advantage of smart investing and compounding, you can become a multimillionaire in 10 years. Now, if you don't have 10 years, just figure it out. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. As a financial advisor, my task was just to gather money and put it in mutual funds and ETFs and let you work the wonders of Wall Street. Maybe if the S&P 500 continue to work, you get 15% per year. And if inflation is 5%, that nets you 10. Is that okay with you? Or would you rather step into a new league? Would you rather change not only your life, but your children's lives and your grandchildren's lives? Would you be interested in generating enough money that you can see to it that every one of your children is in a position to buy a home? Every one of your grandchildren is in a position to buy a home because you can share some of your wealth with them. You can make a difference in their lives as well as in your lives. Because when you get to the end, that's all there really is. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. And my objective in life now is to make you a multimillionaire. I think I found the path. I need your help. I need you to share your ideas at our Discord, and share your ideas through the text messages that people exchange with me. And then we, as a community, will better the lives of each other. I'll talk to you again soon.